The meaning of plants, rhubarb. In some cultures, rhubarb symbolises advice and fidelity. In the Icelandic language, rhubarb is called tröllsoðra, which loosely translates into English as troll sour. In Iceland, rhubarb is also referred to as rhabarbarum, coming from the second half of the Greek name for the plant, Rheum rhabarbarum, where Ra is the Greek word for the river Volga in Siberia, and barbarum means barbarian or foreign. There is an ancient Iranian story of creation that names Geomart as the first man. He was predestined by time to live till he was 30 years old. On his death, his sperm was purified by the rays of the sun, one droplet of which landed onto the ground and was received by Spandamad, his creator and mother. That seed remained dormant for 40 years in the ground until a rhubarb plant slowly grew from where the seed was, the stems of which turned into the first human couple, Marcia and Marcianag. In 19th century Britain, powdered rhubarb was taken to improve bowel movements for those suffering from constipation. In 1837, British plant breeder Joseph Myatt introduced the Victoria variety of rhubarb in honour of the newly coronated Queen Victoria. This very same Victoria variety of rhubarb is still widely available today. Repeatedly saying the word rhubarb is a trick sometimes used by actors to simulate crowd conversations.